better fit and to prevent bunching, use this wing extender. Here's how to make one. Start with a cotton fabric piece measuring 3 inches by 2 inches. The finished strip size is 1/2 inch by 2.5 inches. Fold it in half lengthwise. Open the strip slightly and fold each long edge to meet the center crease, pressing the folds to create a double folded strip. To finish the ends, start by folding each long edge to meet the center crease. Fold a 1/4 inch on each end and then fold the strip in half. This method will show the seam on the long side but leave the ends neat. To make this, start by sewing the ends. First fold the fabric in half lengthwise with the right sides together. Fold each long edge to meet the center fold with the wrong side facing together. Sew the end with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. To secure the beginning and end of the seam, use a backstitch. Turn the fabric inside out. This will leave the ends neat. The seam visible on the long side. This is another method. Fold a 1/4 inch at one end. Then double fold the strip. This method will show the seam at one end but keep the long side neat. To make this, fold a 1/4 inch. Next, fold each long edge to meet the center crease. Fold the strip in half and then stitch along the edge. To secure the beginning of the seam, use a backstitch. Continue sewing all the way and finish by backstitching at the end. Can you see the difference? It is hard to see from this video. But if the fabric is thick, you may be able to see the folded seam more. Now, let me show you how to get a no seam showing finish on both sides. Fold the strip in half lengthwise with the right side together. Fold the fabric in half again to make a strip that is 1/2 inch in width. To make this, fold the strip in half with the right sides together and then fold it in half again. Sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance on the other end. Turn the strip right side out, press it flat with the seam allowances folded inside. This method will neatly hide any extra seam on both ends and the side. And edge stitch along the long side to secure the strip. To secure the beginning and end of the seam, use a backstitch. Attach the snaps or Velcro to match up with your wing closure.